There's one thing in the world that no government can fool and no government can bypass, and those are the hard laws of physics. And when it comes to physics, there is a very specific discipline that has to use physics to do what it does, and that is engineering. And when it comes to engineering mixed with ideology, you can get bad outcomes because people that look at things through an ideological lens don't often see the hard physics for what it is. And the South African government is no different. Typically, when you build infrastructure for a town, you plan for that infrastructure to last at least 60 years, maximum 80 years. And in South Africa, many of the town infrastructures and even city infrastructure is at a point now where it needs to be replaced. And a lot of that infrastructure is under roads, under buildings. It's buried underground. And this is something that is a problem worldwide. In many places in the world, infrastructure was built inside underground tunnels, which makes it easier to replace the infrastructure, whether it's water lines, gas lines, electrical infrastructure. Building a tunnel system over and a city over that tunnel system is the best way to be able to renew infrastructure, inspect infrastructure over time. In South Africa, this was mainly not the case. And a lot of our infrastructure is buried. And a lot of that infrastructure is at the end of its lifespan. When it comes to electrical infrastructure, a lot of the transformers that supply neighborhoods across South Africa are popping like popcorn right now. And this was always going to be the case. These are sealed transformers, the oil's not being replaced. And as loads have increased on them, they have just broken down. The insulation is breaking down. And these transformers are literally arcing, shorting out inside. And because of this, a lot of them explode, some of them catch alight. Bad things happen. And this is inevitable. Like I said, physics will always dictate the end outcome. Not politics, not the party you belong to, not the person that you voted for, but hard science. And when it comes to science, no political ideology is going to stop the fall of a city, the fall of a town, the fall of a civilization, the fall of an empire because of political ideology. In the end, science and the physics that drive it will always win. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you want information around the future of the world and the current events that shape that future, do subscribe to this channel, Double O Des, where you can get information from someone who was a nuclear professional since 1992, understands infrastructure, understands the lifetime of infrastructure, understands the degradation of infrastructure. And just remember to like this video, leave a comment below, tell me what you think. Do you see this in your neighborhood, in your town, in your city? How infrastructure is degrading, water lines are leaking underground, causing sinkholes and many things like that. I would love to read each and every comment. Thanks so much. Till the next video.